Welcome to our repository of global datasets that we have compiled from reputable international organizations and peer-reviewed journals for the purpose of characterizing resource frontiers. To access the datasets, you can either scroll down or click on the top menu to navigate to the dataset section. Here you will see the 10 categories of datasets that are available in this repository. You can hover on each of the data category and find the one that you're interested in. For example, mining. By clicking on the View Datasets button, you'll be redirected to a new tab where you can find the list of mining-related datasets, as you can see here. If you would like to view the other dataset categories from here, you can hover to the top menu, go to More, and access the other dataset categories listed here. For example, governance. Now let's go back to the mining datasets. In our repository, we have three types of datasets. The first is spatial data in raster format, as we can see in the global land suitability maps here. Second, we have spatial data in vector format, also known as shapefiles. This can come either in point location format, as you can see here, in the global mining-induced displacement and resettlement events. Another example of a shapefile is a line or polyline. And some examples of this type of data is rivers, power grid, or road data, which typically consists of line segments. Yet another popular shapefile format would be the polygons, as we can see here in the mapped mining extent. The third type of dataset available in this repository is data that has been compiled in the form of a composite index. For example, the Mining Contribution Index, which has been compiled at a national scale. Once you have identified the dataset that you're interested in, you can click anywhere within the box here, and you'll be redirected to the dataset page. Here you can find further metadata information, such as the description, data access links, data format, spatial and temporal resolution, as well as the sources, authors, and reference links. Note that some of the datasets may be listed under more than one category, as you can view here at the end of the dataset page. Once you're done, you can either go back to the mining category or view the other categories as mentioned before. For ideas and information on how to apply the datasets, here you can access our publications related to the Resource Frontiers work. Here you'll find the list of work that we've done, as well as the datasets that we've used for our projects. Additionally, the list of datasets in this repository is also available for download. You can access the link either in the main menu in the dataset section here, or you can hover on the datasets in the top menu and click on the download full list. You will then be redirected to the full dataset list that has been uploaded in the University of Queensland's East Bay Library. The file is available for download via this button here. The dataset is compiled in an Excel format and contains the same metadata information presented on the website. This work is brought to you by our dedicated and passionate team of researchers from the University of Queensland and Monash, Indonesia, along with the support of Ford Foundation and Google Grant. We hope that this repository will be a useful resource for researchers, students, and professionals. We are open to collaboration and welcome any feedback to improve this repository. You can contact us via the email listed at the end of this website. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for visiting, and all the best for your research.